Well, I ran into something I did not expect, and that is they appeared to have ran that really good caulking on each seam. So I can't get the panels apart without probably damaging them. So my only other thought was to take more screws out and then roll it back, getting about halfway so that next time when I attack this, I can come from this side over to get the rest of it. So that's my new plan. And I rolled one back. It was stuck in one spot, but I was able to pry gently and get that up. It is interesting how far the water, you can see, maybe not water, well, could be water, probably is water, did come up. I mean, it came within 3 inches. So that shows you how much overlap you really have to have. So I'm gonna start ripping these off, and then I'll get that cleaned up, re-nailed, whatever I need to do there. And then I'll peel this one back. Hopefully this one will roll back decent. And we'll do the same thing here. And then I'm gonna get as far over as I can, because when I roll it the other way, the house is gonna be there, but maybe I can somehow tuck it under. But the farther I get, the better. It is heavy metal. Luckily, the bottom side looks good. So that's good. And fortunately, it looks like we're only dealing with one layer of shingles here. It was half lap, and there's not going to be a whole lot of waste here I need to pull up, but I need to do it. So let's get it up, and we'll pull off our flashing there. We'll set that aside because once the metal goes back down, then we can put our flashings on, and we might put 2 layers because that one's going to have holes in it. I still might use it, but we'll see. We still have the other one we can screw in. Okay, let's get taking this stuff off, and I probably better be careful because I know there's damaged boards in here, so I probably better work my way down and not be stepping all over, which I just did. So make sure we don't go through. I wouldn't go very far, I don't think. Maybe 1 foot, but they don't look very good underneath, so that might be a bad spot right there. Okay. Always be ready to modify your plans.